Hello everyone, this is Tasty Global Kitchen here. Today I'm going to be making cabbage, steam cabbage, Jamaican steam cabbage. Today I'm going to be using 2 halves of bell peppers, or also known as sweet peppers, yellow one and a red one, and some carrots, quite a few carrots because of the size of the cabbage, which is a large cabbage as you can see. And then I'm going to be doing some onions and thyme, chopping them all up. So this is just the start of it, of Jamaican steamed cabbage, which I'll be having for dinner today. So I'm going to show you how that's made. I'll be back in a moment. Right, so I'm going through the process now of chopping up all the vegetables. So I've chopped up the carrots here, as you can see, and the thyme, fresh thyme that I grew in my garden. I'm very proud of it. Smells divine. Some onions, some bell pepper, also known as sweet pepper, red and yellow, half each. So in the end, one whole red pepper rather, of 2 different colours that I've chopped half of half. So yes, and I'm just finishing here, chopping up the cabbage here. And there's the other half. Once I finish doing that, I'll be going to the next stage. But I thought, let me just show you what I'm doing now. Okay? Be back shortly. So I'm just now going to be continuing cutting up the cabbage. So this end here is going. Little drop my finger there. Oh, I have to be very careful with this knife. Very careful. So let's just show you quickly how I cut up the cabbage. Yeah, using a sharp knife, you have to make sure you know exactly what you're doing, that you don't hurt yourself, because it's easily done. Now, I don't want to lose any part of my body. Like that, so don't waste anything there. See it good. Chop that up there. Put that to one side. Then continue chopping. And then I'll leave that bit there. I turn it to the other side. What I usually do. And just chop it. Finely chop it. And actually chop it like this with this knife because it's so sharp. Leave that bit there and just keep chopping. Just to give you an idea of what I'm doing really. That's again, don't want to bore you with just me just chopping up vegetables throughout the whole of this video. So I'll be back when it's all complete, okay? Whoops, oh dear, because I like washing everything that I use, okay? So I'll give it a bit of a wash. So I'm gonna now prepare the pan, the pot I should say, which is a stock pot, for the rest of the recipe, okay? I'm going to now put a little bit of olive oil just to prepare the pan. It's a steamed vegetable, but a bit of olive oil just to start it all off. Not much, because it's a steamed vegetable. Steamed dish, I should say, steamed cabbage. So I'll put some oil in it. I'll just mix some vegetable stock. Just ordinary vegetable stock. No name brands at all, really. And I've just put actual 6 cubes of it. 6 cubes of vegetable stock. 1 that size. And then 1, I'll show you without showing the brand. 1 that size. Yeah, that size. So I'll put, 4 of the tiny ones, and that is all up to you basically. How much you want to use, but using my lovely teacup, I'm pouring it in. Just mixed in. And then I'm gonna add some salt. I tend to use a lot of sea salt nowadays. Sea salt, Himalayan sea salt. So I'll just get these sea salt, just a little bit here. I'm just going to put a little dash of it because I'm trying to cut down on salt, just to taste, because I'm sure the vegetable stock has a lot of salt in it. So I'm just putting that like that, mix it all in. Let's cover it up now so it can steam down. Yeah? Okay. I'm now adding some chili flakes as usual. You know I love my chili flakes for most things. So I'm going to add a dash again to taste. Yeah? And just to enhance it a bit more, I'm going to get some hot paprika. It'll have a bit of a kick to it. Yeah, but just a dash. Again, optional to your taste. Yeah? But this is a lovely vegetarian meal. Very tasty. Yeah? Mix right in. Get in there now, get in there. Very nice, very nice. You can actually have this with fish or chicken, or if you're really a vegetarian, have it with a small plate of rice. Very nice. Let's look at it from another angle. I've got rice cooking at the back. I'm probably going to have it with rice. Knob of butter, just to make it, give it a nice creamy texture. Yeah, so that's what I'm going to do now. Just add that to it, just like that, and mix it in. More or less ready. So I can be serving that with some rice. Yeah, very nice. This is steamed cabbage. Easy to make, tasty, healthy. Well, as healthy as I can make it without losing its flavour. But it's very tasty, definitely very tasty. And I'm going to be showing you how it's displayed. Lovely. I'm going to have steamed cabbage with carrots and mixtures. Very tasty. So that you can have a good look at it. Let's show it closer. Beautiful, beautiful. See, my fork is there ready. Yeah? So this is it. Steamed cabbage from Tasty Global Kitchen. Please like this video. I hope you do like it. Please share it around the whole world for me, please. And press that lovely notification button, or bell I should say, so that you can get more Tasty Global Kitchen recipes inspired from the globe. Yes, so enjoy. So please like, subscribe, and actually comment. Tell me what you think of my cooking. Tell me what you think. I don't mind. Alright? Have a great day. And please return back to Tasty Global Kitchen, where you'll see some lovely, great recipes from all around the world. Thank you very much. Have a great day. Look at it again. Bye-bye.